Hello everyone, this is Robert with LifeWire, and today I'm going to show you how to make a potion of weakness in Minecraft. There are actually several variations of the potion of weakness. First is the regular potion of weakness, which when you drink it, reduces your attack damage by half. This isn't very useful, so you'll want to make a splash potion of weakness that you can use on enemies and other players. There's also the lingering potion of weakness, which creates a cloud that applies the effect to anyone who comes in contact with it. You need the regular potion of weakness to make the other two, so I'm going to show you how to do that now. You will need one water bottle, a fermented spider eye, a brewing stand to make the potion. You'll need a crafting table to make the brewing stand if you don't have one, and you will need blaze powder to activate your brewing stand. I'm going to show you how to make the latter three items now. To make blaze powder, you just need to place one blaze rod in the crafting grid. Then add the blaze powder to your hotbar. To make a crafting table, you need 4 planks of wood of the same type. Place a plank of wood in the 4 squares of the crafting grid, and now you have a crafting table which you should add to your hotbar. To make your brewing stand, equip your crafting table and place it on the ground, then interact with it to open the 3x3 crafting grid. Now, to make your brewing stand, place one blaze rod in the middle of the top row, and place 3 cobblestones in the middle row. Now you'll have a brewing stand, which you can add to the hotbar. Now equip your brewing stand and place it on the ground. Interact with it to open the brewing menu. To activate your brewing stand, take the blaze powder and move it to the upper left box of the brewing stand. Next, take your water bottle and place it in one of the bottom boxes in the brewing stand. You can actually make multiple potions at once by adding water bottles to the other slots at the bottom of the stand. Next, take your fermented spider eye and place it at the top of the brewing stand. You can tell that the potion is brewing by the bubbles on the left side and the progress bar on the right side. When the process is complete, you will have a regular potion of weakness, which you should add to your inventory. Now, the potion of weakness isn't particularly useful by itself, so you'll want to make a splash potion of weakness that you can use on others. To make a splash potion of weakness, add your regular potion of weakness back to the bottom block in the brewing stand. Next, add gunpowder to the top block. Once again, wait for the process to complete, and when you're done, you will have a splash potion of weakness. Next, to make a lingering potion of weakness, you're going to want to add dragon's breath to the top of the brewing stand. When the progress bar is full, you'll now have a lingering potion of weakness, which you should add to your inventory. As you can see, when you equip your lingering potion of weakness and throw it in front of you, it creates a cloud. When enemies and other players step into it, the weakness effect will be applied to them. Now I'm going to show you one more trick. If you want to make a longer lasting potion of weakness, take your potion of weakness and add it back to the bottom of the brewing stand. Next, take some redstone and place it at the top of the brewing stand and wait for the process to complete. As you can see, you now have a potion of weakness that lasts 4 minutes. If you want to increase the duration of the other 2 potions, keep your potion of weakness in the bottom block, then add gunpowder to the top of the brewing stand. When the process is complete, you will have a longer lasting splash potion of weakness. To make a longer lasting lingering potion of weakness, place a dragon's breath in the top block. When that's done, you'll have a lingering potion of weakness that lasts even longer. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to LifeWire for more Minecraft tutorials and walkthroughs.